So here we have my new favorite car key fob keychains. This comes with leather holder, a loop on the end, which breaks up the monotony of an all metal piece. And I feel it gives it a custom look and a nice soft feel. So this has a metal D-ring and it's a 2-pack. This pack happens to be the black and the red. It's 360-degree rotatable and it comes with a screwdriver so you can add your keys and your key fob. So its flexibility is that it's compatible with most key fobs such as VW, Subaru, Toyota, all major car brands. Easy installation, has a 360-degree flexible rotation. It gives you a comfortable feel. The horseshoe D ring comes with a screwdriver so you can install the key fob or the key rings. It comes with the keychain hook that is an arc shape designed, and it has ergonomic comfortably so that your thumb fits in that little indentation and you could work the snap on the hook, and you can press it many times and it sure feels sturdy and doesn't feel like it will break easy. And that durability comes from the zinc alloy and the high quality leather that's fixed with screws. It's double reinforced, anodized and polished, anti-scratch, anti-rust, and a smooth appearance. And the smooth appearance translates into a smooth feel when your keys are in your pocket. There's really no sharp edges to be poking you or make it uncomfortable to retrieve it from your pocket with your hand. I really like this and it feels high end. Brings your keychain game into the next level.